A week after the imposition of a zone of special operations in sections of Westmoreland, residents are insisting the police are a part of the problem in the parish. Two women who spoke with our news centre recently say corruption is rife among members of the constabulary in Western Jamaica. Now, we must say both these women have been arrested and charged under the anti-gang legislation, but they were never convicted. It's been a week since a zone of special operations (ZOZO) was declared in a section of Westmoreland to try and curb high murder rates. In one of the troubled communities, Dexter Street, residents welcomed the presence of soldiers, but some are critical of the police in the parish.
The police down here, majority of them are corruptions, to be honest with you. So, I don't really go for police them in Westmoreland because they know the things that are happening over the years and it allow them to happen.
Honestly, I rather the soldiers. Because the soldiers, they are not corrupt. As country we may say, they are not corrupt. But you have some corrupt police, they are very corrupt. Trust me, when we say corrupt, I mean corrupt.
We put the claims to the commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police, Senior Superintendent Robert Gordon.
We have active investigations that are going on. Active investigations is something that we condemn and condemn wholeheartedly because it's against the grain of a force for good and proper policing. You cannot be a police and a criminal at the same time.
SSP Gordon insists one investigation is far advanced.
There is one of the matters in particular that I am very confident that your station will be carrying. I am confident of that. Very confident.
He's still pleading with residents to trust the police.
Sometimes the doubts is what causes them to stay away and not come to us to assist us to secure them. But I am appealing to them to work with us.